Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've teamed up with Mirenesse to bring you a review on their brand new thermal wrap and repair hair mask. It's a salon treatment that you can use at home. A brief history of my hair. I have always wanted long hair. Always wanted long hair. It was healthy hair, but it would just snap off at the ends. So when Mirenesse contacted me to try one of these, I was like, hell yeah. But I'm going to show you a before of my hair, what it was like this morning before I washed it. You can see that the ends are quite dry and brittle, really in need of some moisture. I'm going to show you guys the demo of how to use this bad boy now. Here I am in the bathroom in the morning before my shower. This is what my hair looks like. I'm going to give it a brush because it does tend to get quite knotty in the shower. But as you can see, the ends look really dry and it looks a bit frizzy. It's really not in the best condition. It needs a good wash. So I'm going to jump in the shower, shampoo my hair, not condition. And then this is what it looks like after that. As you can see, it's a little bit knotty. And then I'm going to open my little Mirenesse package, which has an information pack about the mask and how to apply it, and then I'm going to open up one of the masks. So this is what it looks like. It's just in a foil package with a tear open, which makes it really easy to open. Oh my god, I cannot tell you how good this mask smells. It's on another level. So this is what the mask looks like. It's really cute, right? It just looks kind of like a shower cap, and then it's got this peel off sticky bit here. This is what the inside looks like. So there's all the mask treatment product. And then I'm going to take my hair up, and I'm not going to pin it with anything. I'm just going to try and balance it on top of my head and then chuck on the foil cap. And then what I'm going to do is pull it around the back and tighten it and then secure it with the sticker. You can do this anywhere on your head. I just placed it towards the back, but you can do it at the front if you like. And then it looks a little bit funny like a mohawk until you massage it in. Now I'm just going to massage the product in for a minute or so, just till I feel like it's all in my hair. And yeah, then I'm going to go and rest for, 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just going to sit down and watch a YouTube video while the mask develops. Obviously, the longer you wear it, the more it develops. And at this point, I could feel it warming up. I'm just like, oh my god, there's that thermal action. And I massaged it in a little bit longer. Once the time is up, I'm going to wash it out in the shower. So I like to comb it out with a comb just before I rinse it off, just to make sure that the product's all through the hair nice and evenly. And then I'm going to rinse it off. And I could already feel like my hair being so soft in the shower. Then I'm going to sit down and I'm going to blow dry my hair. I usually blow dry my hair just because I don't have time and it just takes forever to dry. And then that was me feeling the softness again. I sat with it in the towel for maybe 20 minutes and just feeling how soft it was. I just honestly couldn't believe it. And you can even see it when I'm blow drying it, how soft it is. I don't have any more words apart from it being really soft. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair. And this is my hair just after blow drying it, and then this clip here is after straightening it, and it just looks so soft and shiny, and oh my god, look at how healthy it looks as well. And here is the before and after. Pretty much a dramatic change. And that brings me to this point. I have straightened my hair, and guys, I was literally when I pulled my hair out of the towel, my hair was so soft. You can see the shine in it. Well, I can definitely see the shine in it. I do actually have quite a bit of new growth going on, so I do have a few little flyaways up here. I feel like this is definitely look at that. It's just so soft and silky and shiny. Totally in love with this mask. My overall first impressions was it was super easy to use. Like my hair feels like it's been at the hairdresser. You know how you just go to a hairdresser and you come home and you're like, I can never get my hair to feel like this. It actually feels and looks like I've been to the hairdresser, even though I obviously haven't because I have regrowth. Yeah, it was super easy to use. It smelt great. It's left my hair feeling beautiful and looking amazing, which is everything you want in a hair mask, right? I feel like it did really live up to the expectations, and they are available from Mirenesse.com or on Amazon. And if you are looking to try these out, I do have a coupon code listed down below. I will have a little bit of a competition. So if you want to enter the competition to win one of these, all you need to do is comment down below and tell me a little story about your hair, if it's healthy, if you're in the process of growing it, if you've just had it cut. I'd love to know your hair story. So that is it for my review of the Mirenesse Thermal Wrap and Repair Hair Mask. It's definitely something that I want to work into my routine at least once a week. I think mainly on the weekend I will be wearing this one before I wash my hair. Depends if you shower at night. If you shower and wash your hair at night, you can easily work this into your routine. If it's in the morning, you just need to put aside a little bit of extra time. So that is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you next time. Bye.